guys, welcome to another video. Just my luck, they're doing some work outside right at the moment that I'm filming, so I do apologize for that. Just want to get that out of the way. Now, as you can see from the title of this video, we're going to be talking about my hair and how I wash my hair. This is my second time doing this style, but my first time doing this length. The last time I did this was the super long length, and I called it my Locs, or my super thick faux locks. This is the bob version of that because I did see some pictures on the internet and I was like, all right, yes, I have to try it. So this is what we have here. I've had this style now for, this is my second week, I believe, that I've had this style, and I did wash it on Monday morning. So after having a fun-filled weekend of drinking and debauchery, I felt like I really needed to wash my hair. I knew I was going to have to wash it anyways, so I was doing the whole spray bottle thing and whatever, and just was not working. It wasn't getting clean enough for me. So I jumped in the shower, turned my pipe on, my shower on, went underneath and just got the whole thing wet and was just like, you know, it's whatever. Now, there was so much like gunk from the actual hair that I used to wrap this, just dripping, that just, it was so gross. I recommend not doing it while you're trying to take a shower. Do it if you can with your head over the tub and just separate body and hair completely, because that was not the most pleasant thing to see. Now, the shampoo that I used was the Fantasia Icy Tea Tree Naturals shampoo. You can find this in your local beauty supply store. If I find some links online, I will definitely put them in the description bar below, so make sure you guys check the description bar for any info that may be down there. I paid $6.99 for mine, and it does come with a conditioner. They do have a serum, and they also have the 100% pure tea tree oil. The only things I use are the shampoo and the conditioner, but when I washed this, I only used the shampoo. Now, what I did was I just squirted it in the palm of my hand and took my fingertips and just massaged in between the braids on my scalp. I didn't put any of the shampoo on the faux locks itself. I just went in between and then rinsed that out under the shower. I did that 3 times, and then on the second to third time you start to feel it kind of tingle, and that's how you know when your hair is clean. Afterwards, I rinsed all that out. I didn't put any conditioner. What I did was just wrap it up in a towel, let that dry. I sprayed my leave-in conditioner on there from Apogee, and it's the Apogee protein treatment leave-in conditioner. I sprayed that all over on my hair itself, and then I used the Jamaica Mango Lime spray oil. So this is it here, the Jamaica Mango Lime spray oil. I did again get it from my local beauty supply store for $4.99. If I find links, check the description. But the ingredients are mineral oil, havasu oil, olive oil, carrot oil, castor oil, menthol, camphor, vitamin E, and perfume. The majority overall to me is pretty good. It's kind of natural, and it does give your hair that tingly sensation as well. So this is what I've been using as an oil on my scalp, just to keep the oil in my hair so that it doesn't dry out. And that's basically it. Super simple, to the point. I don't do anything extra with it. I try not to. Again, I pretty much did the same actually, no, I'm lying. In my previous faux lock video, I used the Yaki Hollywood braiding hair and the realistic Marley twist, Afro twist, to wrap it. For this one, I did a little bit different. What I used was the realistic Marley twist hair, the same Afro twist that I used to wrap the last time. I actually used that to braid. I used 3 packs of that, cut in half, I believe, and then folded it in half and took like 4 bundles of that and made individual braids all throughout my head. And then I used the same realistic brand faux locks, I think they call it Nubian locks, crochet that in and then wrap that around this. Now, the main difference that I've seen is that the Marley hair wrapped around the braids, it gives it a more natural look in comparison to using the Nubian locks, the faux locks, the crochet braids to wrap it. I also used 3 packs of that, if I didn't mention it before, 3 packs of the Nubian locks, 3 packs of the Marley twist. With the wrapping it with the Nubian locks, it gave it a more canicolon look, which I'm not a fan of. So after washing it took out some of that shiny plasticky look, gave it a more natural look, and then I put a whole bunch of charms and strings all throughout my hair. I've gotten so many compliments on this. I feel like when I wear styles like this, I get way more compliments than when I wear wigs or weaves or whatever the case is. So I'm gonna keep this in for maybe another 2 weeks or so. We'll see how that goes. But as far as washing my hair goes, that's all it was. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I didn't mention, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.